Hello everyone. Have you ever Googled your name to see what comes up? The results are a small part of your digital footprint, the trail of data you leave behind whenever you use the internet. Today, we'll explore what a digital footprint is and how to manage it effectively. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to define a digital footprint and understand its components. Recognize the implications of your digital footprint. Implement strategies to manage and protect your digital footprint. Let's start by understanding what a digital footprint is and why it matters. A digital footprint is the collection of data that represents your online activities. This includes everything from social media posts, online purchases, browsing history, and website visits to emails and digital communications. Example, the social media trail. Consider Sam, who actively uses social media. Every post he makes, every photo he uploads, every video he shares, and every comment he leaves contributes to his digital footprint. Even his likes and shares are part of this footprint. Types of digital footprints. There are two main types of digital footprints: active and passive. An active digital footprint consists of data you intentionally share online, like social media posts and online reviews. A passive digital footprint, on the other hand, is collected without your direct input, such as browsing history and location data. Story, the unseen data. Think about Violet, who uses her phone for navigation. Even if she doesn't actively post or share her location, her movements are tracked, contributing to her passive digital footprint. Implications of your digital footprint. Privacy concerns. Your digital footprint can reveal a lot about you, including personal preferences, habits, lifestyle, and even sensitive information. This can lead to privacy concerns, especially if your data falls into the wrong hands. Example, the data breach. Jacob discovered that his personal information was compromised in a data breach. This incident made him more aware of the importance of managing his digital footprint to protect his privacy. Reputation management. Your digital footprint can significantly impact your personal and professional reputation. Potential employers, colleagues, friends, and even family often search online to learn more about you. Story, the job seeker. Sharam, a job seeker, found out that her potential employer had reviewed her social media profiles. Fortunately, she had maintained a professional online presence, which positively influenced her job application process. Legal and security risks. An unmanaged digital footprint can expose you to various legal and security risks. Unauthorized use of your data can lead to identity theft and other legal issues. Analogy, the trail of breadcrumbs. Imagine your digital footprint as a trail of breadcrumbs. If you're not careful, anyone can follow the trail and discover details about your life that you'd prefer to keep private. Strategies to manage and protect your digital footprint. Regularly review privacy settings. Ensure that your privacy settings on social media platforms and other online services are appropriately configured. Regularly review and update these settings to limit who can access your information. Example, the privacy audit. Eric conducted a privacy audit of his social media accounts, adjusting the settings to ensure that only his friends could see his posts and personal information. This simple step helped protect his digital footprint. Be mindful of what you share. Think before you post or share anything online. Consider how the information could be perceived and who might have access to it. Story, the careful poster. Justin, a frequent social media user, started being more mindful about his posts. He avoided sharing sensitive information and ensured his posts reflected positively on his personal and professional image. Use strong, unique passwords. Protect your online accounts by using strong, unique passwords. Consider using a password manager to keep track of them and enable two-factor authentication where possible. Analogy, the digital lock and key. Think of your passwords as the keys to your digital home. Just as you wouldn't use the same key for every lock, don't use the same password for multiple accounts. Regularly monitor your digital footprint. Stay aware of your digital footprint by regularly searching for your name online and checking what information is available about you. This can help you identify and address any potential issues early. Example, the self-Google. Lisa made it a habit to Google herself every few months. This practice helped her stay aware of her online presence and address any inaccuracies or unwanted information promptly. Assignment: to put these strategies into practice, I encourage you to conduct a digital footprint audit this week. Review your online profiles, adjust your privacy settings, reflect on targeted ads, and search for your name to see what information is available about you. Write a brief summary of your findings and any changes you made. For further reading, I recommend The Art of Invisibility by Kevin Mitnick, which offers practical tips for protecting your privacy and managing your digital footprint.